Situation with the FX market versus what the ECB is telling it. The message is pretty clear. They're concerned about the euro. This is the most explicit reference to the euro yet over the last couple of months from the ECB, isn't it, Paul?
Yes, it is, very much so. And moderately strong words, though it was brought up. Draghi did allude to it in his press conference following the previous decision, but this is a little more explicit now. We can see the account of the meeting. So there is their concern there. There is concern generally that financial conditions have tightened a little bit over recent weeks or in the run-up to that meeting. And that's something that is likely to be weighing on policymakers' minds as they head towards the September 7th decision, when they may or may not decide what they can do with tapering, or they may put that off until October.
So Paul, looking at the headlines across the Bloomberg here, we have the headline about concern over the risk of, of the euro overshooting. At the same time, they're concerned that they do not have conclusive evidence of inflation. Are those two directly linked? How tight is the linkage between those two issues?
There's obviously a mechanical linkage. As the euro strengthens, it depresses costs of imports and therefore delays the recovery of inflation. So there's a direct concern there. Also weighs on exporters and therefore undermines growth in the economy. But the growth numbers have been pretty solid lately. It all feeds into this general concern about tightening conditions. When Draghi spoke at the ECB forum in Sintra in June, he said the ECB is willing to take its foot off the pedal, if you like, in line with the developments in the economy. So if the developments in the economy aren't going the way they want, that may delay taking their foot off the pedal.